Welcome to your ultimate guide on making IPTV work beautifully on Firestick devices. First, we get right onto the App Store, setting the stage for the IPTV transformation. Jump into the process of installing IPTV applications. Let's make it straightforward for you. Once installed, time to dive into the interface. Feel the excitement unraveling. Organize your channels easily. Access all your shows with just a few clicks. Configuration is key. Let's explore settings that optimize your viewing experience. Troubleshoot in seconds. Simple fixes for common IPTV issues you may face. Prefer premium channels. Visit 2tv.store and enhance your IPTV choices now. Next up, we tackle advanced features you may not know about in your device. Firestick supports smooth streaming, ensuring minimal lag for maximum enjoyment. Venture into application plugins that suit your personal streaming preferences. Discover how to access international content effortlessly through your IPTV. Security is important. Explore settings to keep your data safe while streaming. Don't miss on updates. Automatic updates maintain your IPTV in perfect condition. Cap your knowledge with tips to get the most out of your streaming service. That's all for now. Start implementing what you learned and enjoy seamless IPTV.